Babies, let's remember the alphabet A to Z. Black color, silver color, violet color, yellow color, orange color, gold color, pink color, red color, brown color, purple color, light green color, green color, purple color, A for ant, purple color, B for bat, purple color, C for cat, purple color, D for dolphin, silver color, E for elephant, silver color, F for flower, silver color, Z for gold, yellow color, H for horse, yellow color, I for igloo, Z for jug, K for kite, brown color, L for light, M for mango, N for nest, light green color, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rain, pink color, S for strawberry, T for tiger, U for umbrella, violet color, V for vase, W for window, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zero, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you.